Bird. Do you like birds? To tell you the truth, I don't like them very much. They're too noisy. Are there many birds in China? Yes. In my hometown, there are sparrow swallows and some seabirds. I can't name them. They can catch fish from fishermen. What are the meanings of different birds? In China, lovebirds, or for those who are in love, it means your marriage will last forever. Do people like birds? It depends. All people like birds, and you see them take the birds out in the cage in the morning. How many kinds of birds have you ever seen? I have seen many because I went to a bird forest in my hometown, and there are hundreds of birds there, like wild ducks, cranes, and some rare birds. What birds are commonly seen? Sparrows can be seen everywhere. They live in both hot and cold places. They're a little bit brown and not very big. Is it popular to keep birds as pets? It's popular among the old people, but not so popular like keeping dogs as pet. My grandfather keeps birds. He has got some songbirds. They look lovely, and one of them can speak a few words. Do you think we should protect birds? Sure. All animals should be protected, and birds are one of them. We should punish those who kill birds. Besides, we should protect the ecosystem to give a better living place to them. The government should make it illegal to take their eggs or eat native birds. There are many things that you can do to attract and protect birds during migration and throughout the year. Migrating birds need food to refuel and shelter from the weather and predators. In addition, migrating birds have to deal with many obstacles, including windows, large buildings, and other structures such as monuments and radio towers. We should also avoid using pesticide and keep cats indoors.